Hi everyone, welcome to Our Tech. So what I have here today are USB powered computer speakers from Nylavee. The model number of these particular speakers is SK400. What we will do in today's video is an unboxing, go over a few of the specs and features as well as some testing of these speakers. So without further ado, let's jump into the unboxing of these computer speakers. So here we've got the after sales support card, and then we've also got the user manual, right? And it looks like that's it for in the box. And here we've got the actual speakers themselves, and look like under here we have got their warranty card as well as a barcode to get the app, and that was pretty much it for what's in the box. So let's go ahead and take a look at the speakers themselves. So here on top, well, it looks like a little, I guess you can say it looks like a light. This is going to be your touch controlled lighting. Okay, so let's take a look at the front. Here you got the easy access knob. This will control the power as well as the volume level of the speakers. With it powered off, just make sure it's turned all the way to the left. You have a nice tactile feel here when you turn it off and on. And then obviously all the ways to the right will be the max volume. All the way to the left powers it off. And as you can see, it's got some kind of a line right here on both speakers. These are going to be your LED lights. And behind these mesh panels is going to be your speakers as well as the base ports. Okay, so let's go ahead and go over some of the specs for these speakers. They have a net weight of 1.66 pounds. It's got 4 different light modes. You have Symphony, Flow, Breathing, and 3 solid colors. The power input is 5 volts, 1 amp max. It can be USB powered, which is your USB power plug right here. So you can either be powered from a powered port on your computer or from a phone wall charger. Just be mindful of the power output of the wall charger you use, because again, it's 1 amp max. Audio connection, it uses 3.5 millimeter aux cable, which is this one right here. The height is going to be 7 inches, going to be 3.23 inches wide, and 4.21 inches deep. The speaker cable length, this one right here, is going to be 3.68 feet. And then the speaker to the unit power cable length, which is this cable here, this is going to be 4.47 feet long. All right, so I mean, that's pretty much it for the unboxing and the specs of this SK400. So let's go ahead and see if we can plug this into my laptop. Let's test the sound of this and just hope that YouTube doesn't flag this thing for copyright or anything. I'll see if I can get some royalty-free music or something to play on here. All right, so I went ahead and hooked this up to a laptop. So let's go ahead and go over this real quick. As I mentioned before, up here is going to control your lighting functions. You have 3 solid lights: Symphony, Flow, and Breathing. So this is going to be your Symphony light. This is going to be your Flow. This is going to be the Breathing. And then you have 3 solid colors. So that's 1, 2, and that's the 3rd solid color. Okay, so now let's go ahead and test the music and see how it sounds. Now all this music I'm playing is from freetouse.com. So those were the audio samples. Again, I grabbed all these samples from freetouse.com, so hopefully YouTube doesn't claim they're copyrighted and flag the music. I played a little sampling, I believe from 8 different tracks here. I think it had a good price to sound quality, so I mean if you're on a budget, these are going to be some good speakers for you. But that's it for the unboxing, the specs, and test audio of the Nylavee SK400 computer speakers. If anyone has any questions or comments about these speakers, please feel free to message below and I'll do my best to answer them. In the meantime, hope y'all have a nice day and y'all stay safe out there.